Many people comment in my video in recent times how can I improve my speaking and how can I start English learning. In this video I am going to explain briefly or longly to explain the way and the best way to learn English. I think from this video you can understand and you must learn the best way and best method if you really want to learn English. Even I made some video in Bangla, previous video if you watched, then after watching that video people also commented, but I decided this video I will make in English. But I will use easy sentence, easy word to understand for beginner person. Like first of all, you should think English is just a language, but how you speak in Bangla or how you speak in your own mother language, you just speak in Bangla like this way. It is not too much hard or it is not too much a hard thing or too critical thing to learn English language. Secondly, I told again and again, and even I told you and I am telling you again, learn the tense. But whenever people think about tense, people think I have to learn the all the structure of tense like present indefinite to future perfect continuous tense. But actually it is not like that. You have to know the basic thing, what is a tense. I'm not saying you should learn the introduction of tense. Just I go to study, I'm learning English, I will go to Dhaka, I will go to market, etc. So how can you make this sentence? So for this reason tense is most important thing for my own opinion, because I believe a person who learn tense, they must learn English and they must make sentence. So if you really want to make a small sentence, first of all you should learn the tense properly because it's important, extremely important. And secondly, you should learn and you should practice more and more. And if you really want to express something ability, then you should learn modal verb like can, could, may, might, ought to, need, there, this type of modal verb. But usually we use can, could, should, need, must, this type of. So just you should know the system, the use and the meaning of this modal verb. Secondly, you should practice more and more. As much as you will practice, you must learn English. But when I was a beginner, at least I started English, I was in boring because I can't make sentence properly, but I can understand little bit in English, a little bit intense. But I can understand your problems, my viewers problem, because whenever they try to make something in English, try to speak in English, they cannot. As a result, they become bored and they failed and they give up. But it happens to learn anything. It also happened to learn English. You should not give up. You should keep on and try to practice. But after 1 week, 1 month, 2 months later, when you will generate or you will be ability to speak anything, to make something, you will get pleasure and you will try to speak more and more. You should think English is just a language and I have to practice. People also make another mistake is that I have to learn many vocabularies, much structures and many methods of learning. It's not real thing. Spoken English, the most important thing is that you should practice. You make lot of mistake. You make thousands of mistakes. It doesn't matter. Matter is that how much or how often do you practice, how much time do you practice. It's most important. I think from this video you have got a best way and best important things to learn or to starting English. So next video I will make how can you develop your speaking. So till that time watch my video and keep practicing. Assalamu alaikum.